Hello everybody, Tim here with you again. What I've got going on today is a 2000 model Expedition XLT with a 5.4 liter. I'm doing a heater core in this thing. I just want to show you a few things that's got to happen in order for this thing to come out right. You have to take the airbag out. There's the airbag. You take that airbag out because behind that airbag are two screws. And you got to get to those screws. There's one right there. You can see one right there. And then there's one up top right here that holds the airbag in. Anyway, once you get that airbag out, you go through here to get your airbag out. There's two screws through there and then one on the top. There's three that hold it in there. You can see here's where they mount. Here, here, and here. Anyway, long story short, I've also found that it's much easier, you know, when you take out all of the trim work, get all that out of your way, you know, all your kick panels. That way you can pull this carpet back in order to get these braces off that tend to just kind of keep that dash from coming back, make it very difficult. Of course, you know, if you've watched any of my videos before, you know most of these, you have to drop the steering column on. On this one, in order not to break the gear shift selector, I suggest taking it loose. It goes under here on the bottom of your steering column, because when you drop your column down, you'll break this thing. You can see it's just plastic. Very easy to break. Anyway, when you put it back on, just got a little screw. It works like that. Anyway, you got to get that out of your way. You got two screws up on your dash up there. Them two right there, they hold the dash there. 10 millimeter over here on this side and on the other side. Pretty much that's it on this side. Well, of course, you know, you got to take all your, this comes off your lower knee panel, where your knee's at. All that stuff's back here. I've taken it apart. The center console's got to come out. The center console is pretty easy. I took the skin off of it to show you what it was made of. You can see the skin there on the left. And then the framework for it's right there. But you don't have to take it apart like that. I wanted to show you though how it looks, because I got time on my hands. How about that? Anyway, so it goes right here, and it just hooks in basically underneath this carpet there. You can see there's a bracket right there. I've got the carpet laid back over it, but underneath that that console just slits in there like that, and then two bolts hold it on back here. A couple of connections, wiring, harness and all that. Let me go around the other side, show you a little more. Hope you like my videos. I hope they help you, because you know most of them that I find, some of them are helpful, some of them are not very helpful at all. Anyway, to get the heater core out of this 2000 Expedition, all you gotta do is get your dash pulled back this far. You can see I've got it unhooked, everything, got everything nice and clean right here. It's easy to work on when you get right here. And I'm at the point right now to where I haven't extracted the heater core, the old one. I was just getting to the point, and I wanted to show you where I'm at and how I've got this far. To get that heater core out, there's a series of bolts here. You can see them here, all the way around. You see that cap. Even up there on top, just follow the seams. You'll find screws here. You'll find one way down in there. You got to kind of get up here and look down. But take all the screws out of this cap right here. Then you can pull that back, and your blend door and your heater core will come out and slide right out of the top there. You'll be able to get to it. The way I do the old heater cores, I just cut the end of it off. When I get it up here exposed, I just take a hacksaw and cut the end of it off. That way it's easy to pull the ends through there and take off those quick connect fittings that they've got on there. Some of them won't come off. They've been on there since the car was new, so they're kind of difficult. You have to replace those too. In my case, I always buy two new ones. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here, I'll show you really quick. Up here, they've bypassed it. Up here, you can see where they've just taken and put a hose clamp and a T and bypassed that. These heater hoses are the ones that go up there, and they have a female end on them that you'll have to replace more than likely. Anyway, that's my video today. I'm here in Louisville, Texas. Beautiful day. Beautiful April 2nd. A wonderful day. Can't complain about today at all. And if you enjoy my videos, just please do me a favor. Subscribe to me. That's about it. I'm out.